Tozamba Kokono Kurisarwa Sendo Teresuko Kubatinimbat, your number one locksmith. Gatekeeping. Do you want that content? Do you want that video of gatekeeping? Do you want us to explain to you how do you identify the gatekeepers? Do you know this person that has Subanibani's number? And the only way you can communicate with that Subanibani is through them or highway. Gatekeeping. The only way you can get a tender is when you rub shoulders with Usmaniban. The only way you can do that, gatekeepers are all over. Even within our families, we do have gatekeepers. Yes, we do. We can't have an access to Malume because Malume believes in this one, Haholo, more than does on the rest of the family members. We do have such. We do have such people. But the question I have, Uguti, do you see the need of us having a full video whereby I'll be unpacking? Will that content assist you? I don't know. But I would like us to discuss it. Uguti, how to identify a gatekeeper. How do you see if you are a gatekeeper? You don't want anything to do with whoever. There's a lady who sent me a picture with her leg, fagi ice cream on her leg because of the gatekeepers. So she said, Gogo, please, can you please talk about this and everything? So, I mean, I receive a call and my duty is to answer that call with coming up with our one of the videos that I was doing regarding the gatekeeping. So watch out for it. I'm telling you, we are going to learn a lot because I'm also learning in this so-called Koko Batinebata channel. You know, I use this as an archive so that I can go back in the near future and look at this thing. Sometimes I search for something only to find out I have done a video on it. Then I'll listen to that video. Then I have the information that assists me to move forward with another video. So please, I'm asking the question. I'll appreciate if you can answer me. And don't forget to subscribe, to share, to comment. Most importantly, tell me how do you feel about this channel. Is the lighting good? How is the sound when I speak on this channel? Is my background maybe too busy or something? Please, guys, advise me. Talk to me. Tell me. This is our channel. Now, there are things sometimes that I say, this one, no. Tozan.